This is the Magic Book House Book Nook. I'm going to unbox it today and I'm very excited because I love miniatures and these are full of so many miniatures in one little box that you get to assemble. Box, dirty, came a little bit creased there, but everything inside should be packaged well enough. Let's open the box. Okay, here we go. So in each of these baggies is all tiny pieces. This looks to have some sort of plant that is a little bit squished, but we've got other little plants and foliage, some papers, some little fabric bits in here, a bag within a bag of stuffing. Here we've got some plastic tubing. I mean, this looks like a bunch of junk, honestly. Beads and bits and baubles, string and wire, but this is the stuff you need. Oh, this is also the battery pack because this Book Nook lights up, as do the best of them. And then in here, this is the flat pack. All of the structure of the Book Nook itself comes packed flat. So if you're expecting this to come semi-assembled or anything like that, no. And let me show you how thick the boards are. Quite durable, quite thick. Now, of course, because this is basically like a puzzle, you're never gonna know what goes where without this. So you've got your instruction manual. It does have pictures and diagrams, color coded, everything you need to know is in this book. You don't want to lose this. You don't want to ignore the instructions on this project. And then here, these are various backdrops and wallpapers that you'll be using to decorate and design the inside of your store. Oh, look at that, that's flooring. That's so cool. This goes into so much detail that you literally have pages of books with actual content. If you are a book lover, or if you know a book lover who enjoys miniatures, or even if they don't, such a fun niche project for people who love books to have their own little magic book house that lights up with all these cute, tiny, magical book things right on their shelf. I swear by these as gifts, great projects to just sit around and do and fiddle with. This will bring you joy. Book lovers, you gotta get this.